If Steam is showing error code 105, it usually means Steam can't resolve the server address. In simple terms, that's often a DNS issue, a network problem, or something on your PC blocking Steam from connecting properly. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest fixes step by step so you can get Steam working again as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, fully close Steam. Don't just minimize it. Open Task Manager, find Steam in the list of running apps and processes, and end every Steam task you see. This makes sure the app is completely shut down before you restart it. After that, restart your internet connection. The best way to do this is to power off your router, wait about 30 seconds, and turn it back on. If you're on Wi-Fi, you can also disconnect and reconnect to your network after the router comes back online. A quick router restart can fix temporary connection problems that cause this error. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy you may be using. Steam can sometimes fail to connect if a VPN or proxy interferes with the route to its servers. On Windows, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Proxy, and make sure proxy settings are turned off if you don't need them. If you use a VPN app, close it completely before trying Steam again. Now let's clear Steam's download cache. Open Steam, go to Settings, then Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. Steam may ask you to sign in again afterward, and that's completely normal. This can help remove corrupted cache data that prevents Steam from connecting properly. If the error is still there, the next step is to refresh your network settings. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. To do that, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Then type this command and press Enter, epconfig/flush DNS. This clears old DNS records from your system. After that, type the next command, netsh winsock reset. Press enter again, and this resets your Windows network socket settings. Once both commands are done, restart your PC so the changes can take effect. After your computer restarts, try Steam again and see if the error is gone. If it still appears, change your DNS servers. A lot of Steam connection issues are caused by slow or unreliable DNS resolution, so switching to Google DNS can help. Open your network adapter settings and manually set the DNS values to 8.8.8.8 for the preferred DNS and 8.8.4.4 for the alternate DNS. Save the changes, then reconnect and test Steam again. Another thing to check is your firewall. Sometimes Windows Security or another firewall app blocks Steam from reaching the internet. Open Windows Security, go to Firewall and Network Protection, then choose Allow an app through Firewall. Make sure Steam is allowed on both private and public networks if needed. If you have third-party antivirus software, you can also temporarily disable it just long enough to test whether it's causing the issue. If Steam works after disabling it, then you may need to add Steam as an exception in that antivirus program. And if none of those fixes work, the final option is to reinstall Steam from the official Valve Corporation website. Before reinstalling, make sure you know where your game files are stored so you can back them up if needed. Reinstalling Steam can fix corrupted program files that may be causing error code 105 in the first place. Once Steam is back up, sign in and test it again. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the problem and get you connected again. So to recap, restart Steam, restart your router, disable VPN or proxy, clear the download cache, flush DNS, reset Winsock, change your DNS, allow Steam through the firewall, and check your antivirus. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.